joining me today. Welcome to my channel. And especially if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So, it's Dutch Pours Around the World collaboration. This is my second. I don't know which. I have an idea in my head, and my first painting, I am pleased with it, but I all of a sudden had this idea, and I have enough paint, so I thought I'd try it, and then I'll decide which painting you guys are going to see. You'll either see this one or the other one. Same colors. So we'll see. I'm going to put this different, and we'll see. I wanted to give it a try. All right, so sit back, and everything is in the description box. Colors, links, all that fun stuff, and yeah, hold on. Purple Mountains Majesty. A little close up. Dried beautifully. I want to thank Amy so very much for including me, because Dutch pours is not my thing. I was hesitant to do it because, like I just said, Dutch pours. And I was a little skeptical of all the colors, but I decided to try to create a landscape. So these are my purple mountains and my sky. And I didn't have two of the colors. I didn't have the iridescent blue violet, so I mixed some colors together. That's in the description box. Thank you, Gladys, because I love what I came up with. And I didn't have the Nicolese or gold, but I mixed a couple colors together. So I want to thank Meg for those colors as well. I don't think the camera's picking up, but the bronze is showing, the gold is showing. I just love this, and I will be doing it again on a bigger canvas. Go to the description box, go to the links for the other channels. They're amazing artists, and I just want to thank everyone for being with me. And what do you think? What do you think of this composition? What do you think about this idea of creating a landscape with the Dutch pour? All right, so thanks everyone. Thanks for joining me. Welcome, welcome. See you next time. Peace.